Dorian, you want to tell us what's happening today?
Just trying different machines because we're here because we're probably going to be buying a bunch of the equipment for a gym we're opening in Burlington. And we're just starting with a side lateral machine.
So we're doing delts and
delts and maybe some arms.
Arms, okay. All right. With classic champ Khaled. How do you say your last name?
Chikawi.
Chikawi.
There you go.
Khaled Chikawi. Khaled. The Khaled. The Khaled, the Khaled.
My son, man.
I want to see what's up.
There he is again, this guy. Nice to meet you. Let's go. How'd you like Atlantis gyms?
Very good, love it. I love the equipment.
Yes.
Yeah, this is what we're gonna get.
Best of the best.
So just tell them.
So how do you like it?
It's very cool. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Good equipment.
Good stuff. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Is it time to go back home soon?
Yes, it is.
A little bit of posing or?
A little bit of posing.
Ooh, baby. Ooh. Maybe posing Khaled, 15 weeks out.
Yeah.
Oh,
don't
classic.
tell anybody.
Oh shit, okay. I won't put that in there.
No, it's okay.
Why? Because you don't want to scare the competition?
No, because I'm not sure yet.
Oh really?
I don't want to promise something and not keep up my word.
Aesthetics.
Yeah. That's good.
Side tricep?
I can't. I dare you. Shit.
Pretty good, man.
You guys are in shape. Go for it a little bit. Go for it. Yeah. Yeah, go. There we go. Very good. Do you want to try sitting down? Let's try it out.
It's the other one.
Is the other one? Hoop. Hoop. Oh, there you go. It's pretty good actually. Look at that. Wow.
The trap.
Very good. Yep. That's a good 15 weeks out if you're doing it.
If and only if.
Want to do the outro every game?
Halas.
Alas?
Halas.
What was that?
Khalas.
It means finish.
Yeah,
And
that's
what in
it.
Arabic?
Yeah.
Can you say it properly?
Khalas.
Khalas.
Halas.
Khalas.
Halas.
Khalas. See you next time. How does it see you next time in Arabic?
فرصة سعيدة.
فرصة سعيدة. خلاص.